Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in again. So today I'm doing another pastel drawing. It's been quite a while since I did one, and today I'm drawing a dinosaur with pastel on pastel mat. So I'm drawing a Brachiosaurus because that's one of my favorite types of dinosaurs. Let me know below what your favorite dinosaur is. But I think Brachiosauruses are quite elegant and I thought it would fit the picture well. So I'm drawing a Brachiosaurus, and the brand of pastels I use is Koh-i-Noor, and the paper is called Pastel Mat. And the size paper is about A4, so that's about 9 by 12 inches. If you are interested in a step-by-step tutorial of this drawing, I have it available under the $4 tier on my Patreon website, so you can head over to patreon.com/Leontine van Vliet. There's a link in the description, so you can get the extended tutorial there if you're interested. And overall, this drawing took me about 1 hour to complete, so that's quite decent, not a lot. So you can draw along with me through the Patreon tutorial if you want. So I hope you'll enjoy watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like how it turned out. The drawing is available to purchase, so if you're interested you can just contact me. Yeah, if you're recreating it, let me know by tagging me on Instagram or on Facebook, wherever you're posting it. And yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!